Hi, this is Greg Schlevish. Today, just gonna do a quick tutorial on the izotope series to clean some imperfection in some mix that you can do. Some bands are pretty dark and they love to have a shitty sound sometime. It's part of the aesthetic of being a vampire. So I'm doing that for one of the many bands that I'm working with. Um, so it's the bag Blanoy, sorry, no disrespect. And this song is called Matranak. Okay, so it's the radio mix because you want this to play on the radio. So first of all, as you know, some reverse, what is that? Yeah, no, that, yeah, this one. Okay, always. So let's decrunch and okay, fuck you. Okay, let's listen to that song. So it's pretty dark, as you can see. Every instrument is dark. Let's just listen to that. Oh yeah. La la. Okay, just fresh out of the grave, I guess. So first of all, let's hear the dark beat, and let's click on the loop section. Okay. Too much distortion. I don't get it. So I hate that band already. They are paying me to do the job, and I will do, but I don't enjoy it anymore. Okay, let's go. So I guess we want to remove some crackle. No, maybe some clip. So let's use that. Let's put everything in the tapes. Yeah, low quality because it's like the band. Oh shit. Sounds like a puking person. Okay, perfect. I guess they love it. Let's try to roll that back a bit. Oh, reminds me of a dying bat. So let's try with the dark bass vampire maybe. Oh, it's pretty creepy. I love it. Sorry, I love that band. I'm really a big fan. So maybe the noise, because it's just noise to me. It's not sounding at all like a bass. So let's learn from that, huh? And remove all that shit. Threshold. Hey, play. Okay, sorry, my computer is kind of stupid. Okay, it's better that way, eh? Let's use some subtle compressor like the Devil Lux Deluxe from Sound Toys. So maybe just a bit, just a bit of compression. It's kind of better that way. I know it's better because I'm doing it. So dark guitar sad sack. Let's hear that. It's clipping the hell out of my bum. So declip. Let's declip. Okay. Wow. Oh, jump. It's better that way. So let's do it. The main problem with that band is the singer. He's a vampire too, I guess. So he's singing from the grave, maybe. Let's move the clip. Fuck you. Okay. Oh shit. Crazy dog, or I don't know what he's saying, but I hate that guy already. So let's de-reverb all that because there's too much reverb, you know. Let's try this. Oh shit. Okay. Low, mid. Let's click on everything and just see what it. Oh shit. Okay. It's kind of better that way. Let's remove other shitty stuff on that track. Maybe the I don't know. Hum. I love that word. Oh yeah, I love those peaks. Let's play with the peaks. Okay, Twin Peaks. Have you watched the season of Twin Peaks? Oh. Yeah, that's the kind of emotion you want to have from a vocal cracked. Okay, alright. And we have also that. Pretty mysterious, eh? Dark ambience goth dreams. Let's hear those dreams. Okay. Wow. Okay. It's I think we must remove everything. So maybe declick. Maybe let's try declip. Okay, all right. We'll go to that later. To remove everything. Decrackle. Yeah, it's pretty crackly to me, huh? Don't you know? Yeah. Huh, it's like I've been on some pornographic sites, eh? Because I have so many pop-ups. Windows 47, I think. Stereo. Let's remove everything that is in the stereo. De-reverb too, I guess. Okay, so let's see. Reduction. Oh, pretty nasty. So yeah, I think we reduction. Okay, perfect. Denoise. Let's learn about this experience. Oh, okay. Is that a person or animal? Let's judge. Okay, that's better. Slope all the way. I pass always. Adaptive? No, yeah, maybe. Free, because everything's free. Decrackle, strength, everything. Amplitude, cool. Pretty skateboard. Oh yeah, okay, cool. Wow. Declick, always the M band, periodic clicks. Oh no. Oh no. Don't tell me I got to put the buffer size more up again. Sick of tired of this poop in the Lycian Diadash. Oh, it's pretty quick. I deleted everything so it's better for my computer. So let's hear the mix. And before that, maybe stereo out on the mastering issues with that. Always use turbo burner, okay, with a bit of I. Okay, all right. So let's hear. Whoa, minute. Okay, wow. That was so good, but maybe a little bit too loud. Okay, cool. Let's drive it a bit. Oh, where's the crazy dog guy? Yeah, pretty cool. Stadium rock, maybe. Okay. Oh, come on. I can go more up. I'm in the more up position that I can be. Are you kidding me? Oh, Lord. Let's do this quickly. Maybe not. Maybe anti-Metallica. Okay, so you see, I don't have the choice to just bounce the song with Command B for B notch, and maybe calf, because it's the better, I think, with this, and cinder and no dithering. All right. PCM for practical common man. The back blanoi, matrolac, okay, bounce. Okay, it will take several hours, but next time I see you guys, I hope you will enjoy everything I can assure you I know from everything. So subscribe and thanks for everything that you are listening to me. Okay, bye guys. Hello? So subscribe please. Okay, bye.